Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be reviewing a viral brand that has been popping up on my Instagram feed quite a lot of time. I'm talking about the brand Dr.Althea. Now, a couple of their products have become viral on Instagram, stating that you get glass skin, flawless skin, and apparently your skin becomes so flawless that people ask you if you have a foundation on your skin or not.
Foundation? Oh, I don't have any. Oh, thank you. I use that. It's okay, I'm gonna show you.
I've tested 3 of their bestsellers: the Vitamin C Boosting Serum, the 345 Relief Cream, and the Pure Grinding Cleansing Balm. Let's see what they actually do, what's inside them, and if they're worth adding to your routine. The Vitamin C Boosting Serum is powered by ascorbic acid, the purest form of vitamin C, which helps fade dark spots, brightening dull skin, and boost collagen for that firm, glowy look. It's also got niacinamide to minimize redness and improve uneven texture, plus hyaluronic acid to keep skin hydrated and plump.
It also has cica extracts which soothes and calms sensitive skin.
After using it, I've noticed my skin look fresher and more even. It definitely doesn't feel very heavy. It is quite watery and runny. If pigmentation or dullness is your main concern and you don't want irritation, this is a really solid option. Serum features a 63% Vita Boosting Complex, which combines essential vitamins and the hypoframinoids fruit extract to deliver powerful antioxidants and brightening benefits. The Pure Grinding Cleansing Balm is such a satisfying cleanser. It starts as a solid balm and then melts into a silky oil that dissolves the sunscreen and makeup. What makes it stand out is its natural cellulose particles that gives a super gentle exfoliation to the skin while you cleanse, and it's also enriched with green tea extracts, which is packed with antioxidants and helps in calming inflammation. One thing that I like and dislike, I can't decide which one. The packaging is quite innovative. I have wanted something like this for a long time. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with this packaging because although it is really convenient for you to not waste the product and take only as much of product that you need on the skin, but on the same time, if you take a little less, you have to go back with the same dirty fingers and then take the product again, scoop it again from here, and which kind of is inconvenient. You can see how I have to like literally scoop it up and it becomes really messy. It does have a very buttery texture just like any other cleansing balm, but you have to make sure you just take enough at the first go so that you do not have to go back and touch the container with your dirty fingers. Basically, see if it bubbles up nicely. I'll use just a little bit of water to see if it foams up nicely. I'm just gonna come back after washing my face. I just washed my face. I did use a very gentle cleanser to double cleanse and take my makeup completely off. Now, this is my skin after I took my makeup off. It really did take out all the makeup products from my skin, and I am sure that this is because I've just cleansed my face with my gentle cleanser. My skin did not feel any kind of irritation, but I kind of got the ick from this. If this is how the product is gonna look like every time you scoop off makeup, this is kind of unhygienic and icky. Apart from the icky factor, I also love the fact that the ingredients are right on your face. Like whatever ingredients that you need to look out for is just here. Now, everybody has been raving about this cream all over the internet. This apparently strengthens and smoothens out your skin barrier, making it a stronger, plumpier and clear skin. This cream is all about soothing and repairing your skin barrier. This is filled with Centella asiatica extract, which helps reduce redness, and panthenol, which strengthens the skin barrier and locks in hydration, and allantoin, which smoothens and softens your skin barrier. The texture is creamy, not greasy. It's also borderline gel-like, which absorbs very quickly on my skin. Skin is combination skin, yet it does not sit on my skin and makes it greasy. And the number of times that I have applied at night, I've woken up with really glowy and smooth skin. You can see how smoothly it just blended inside on my skin, and my skin really feels soft and plumpy. I do not feel any kind of irritation on my skin, so it's definitely safe to say that this will not irritate your skin. In turn, it will actually smoothen and soften your skin and help you strengthen your skin's barrier. I'm also applying in this area of my hand because there's a lot of irritation on my arms. I've seen a lot of people do makeup over this cream because it already provides such a glow underneath. It's almost like a glowy primer cream. Definitely gonna try that out. These are the MRP rates of these products, and you can actually go ahead and buy them from the link that I have listed below in the description box. These are my affiliate links, so you can definitely go ahead and buy these products from those links. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you have used any of these products and what is your experience. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be back to review more products. If you have any request, recommendation, any products that you want me to try it on, do mention them in the comment and I'll pick it up from there, and I'll be back again. Bye.